Hi friends, in this video we're going to check the seowriting.ai tool, how effective it is. In fact, in March, I signed up for the paid plan and we wrote around 100 plus articles on the on using this article for the website prostheticsindia.org. Okay. Now we've got 227 plus articles mentioned here, and most of them were directly written by seowriting.ai. Okay, so it's an amazing tool when you want to generate content in bulk. But now I'm going to show you what's the catch here. Okay, and it may be too early for us to take a judgment on it, but we can just quickly see the SEO results. And none of the article produced is ranking on Google. None of the article produced is ranking on Google. In fact, the ones which are ranking, if you can just see my on my screen right here, it's Jaipur Food and Abani Prosthetics, and these were manually written. And they are also not ranking very well. Okay, definitely the optimization has to be done there. But the point is that if you're planning to sign up for something like SEOwriting.ai or any other tool, that is definitely not going to help you out, significantly, because there's a tons of different things which Google takes into account, and just relying on them and producing content in bulk is definitely not going to help. Okay. So there are two options here. One is a one-click blog post, and second is a bulk article update. And here there are various options which are available. Number one, you can insert your main keyword. It could be like content writing for SEO. You can enter your keyword here, generate the title. Title will automatically be generated. Okay, it's showing the free limit has been reached. So it's a very easy tool to use, but the question really lies in whether it's going to help you rank in Google. And the answer for me has been no. I'm not sure if this is going to work out for you or not. So definitely put in your comment if you've used this tool and it has worked out for you. But straight away generating articles in bulk using this tool is definitely not going to be a solution which will take you a longer way. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and the subscribe button to get more videos from our channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time.